So this is the first real CNC motion where we're actually cutting. This is it's an actual gear from an old planer that we ended up scrapping. It was just too wore out to try to refurbish. But Dad wants to make a sawmill, so this will be probably the idle wheel. There you can see the stepper slowly moving because at 16 RPM the feed rate is really slow to do a couple thousands per rev. So that's going to take a while. So there's a slow motion. Just kind of looked cool. So yeah, everything seems to be working so far. It's gonna. We were only taking about 25 thousandths per pass, just to kind of sneak into it. But yeah, the gap bed Nebel lathe has been a really cool thing. So I guess I'll talk to you guys later, and the next step will be buttoning this all up and getting the drives mounted and stuff like that. So there you go.